of the gelling factor, but tao sa tao, they're very deep.
Meron din siyang plano na mag-med school in case she wants to be a doctor. So marami talagang plano itong si Jorel Singh. Possibly a future doctor, maybe even a chef. But free ball. Napunta dito sa Pocari side. Tolenada, combination play. Gumabaw, puntos para sa Lady Warriors.
Yeah. You know, Lawag has their work.
Sinabi nga ni Gretzel kanina kay Roxanne, kailangan mas gutom sila manalo. Kasi nga, a loss here would really put a huge susunod na laban. It's a tough schedule actually for Pocari, as Michelle mentioned earlier in her interview. They have Lawag today, and then that's right. Vince has that dribble to the side as Mackie puts that one away, and also gives Pocari sweat. So those were games that they feel that they should have won but didn't, and Heroa receives that one. Back set by Chi Saet to Jorel Singh. Kaya lang sarado ang pintuan. Great anticipation by Dadang. And Mackie.
So we kept saying that for Lawag, your coverage has to be there because given na when you're hitting against, let's say, a Mackie or a Cactus, you even have Dadang.
Laro na inahabangan natin sa Lawag Power Smashers na rin.
Yeah. You know, it's really a better set for Lawag. You can see they're blocking. That was a great block. And so Tones with that cross-court kill, you just have VP na palo.
Yung palo na mapapawoo ka talaga. Pablo saves that one. Gohing gets it to the other side. But the Power Smashers
10-8.
getting some... So Tones. Saet. Here's Singh. Pinatalbog sa kamay ng mga blockers. Puntos para sa Lawag.
Yeah, you know, those are that play. It's some...
Tolenada tossing it up to Mackie. Bree Mackie continues to do damage. Tabla na ang ating laban, 11-all.
Yeah, this time going cross-court.
Nitong si Bree Mackie. Tolenada gives it up to Dada. Heroa, bitin lang.
Sayang.
Last touch, Lawag. Score, tied at 14.
Gets it. Prado to Soltones.
Ball is out.
Well, Melissa made the right decision there. Panoorin natin. C. Tossing it up. Wow, a powerful attack
Finishes the set.
by Bree Mackie.
Set number
So,
2 goes
for
to Pocari Sweat.
the second straight set,
25-20.
Mackie. And
Chi Saet.
there have been some improvements. Making Pocari Sweat a championship contender in the years to come dito sa shake per match. Si Mackie naman, that's her average, 16 points per match.
And we're just in the third set.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just starting.
So, ba't kaya nahihirapan si
Good serve.
Tolenada? Binigay dito kay Casilag. Look at the elevation. Mula kay Elaine Casilag.
And really, her approach after her...
Soltones. Caxits. Singh. And now the Soltones and Singh connection doing damage here for the Power Smashers. Their biggest lead of the match.
Yeah, and you know...
Binalik ang bola dito sa Lady Warriors. Quick attack para kay Shi Dadang.
Yeah, great set there by Tolenada, mixing it up. Going...
Prado, popped up by Giselle C. Gohing. Binigay dito kay Pablo. 3 straight. Guilema. Tossing it up to Prado. Giselle C made an effort to save that one.
Lawag now at set point
She was too late.
advantage.
Great
24.
by the Lady Warriors. Pablo soaring and scoring for the Lady Warriors.
Yeah, but we also got to give credit for Giselle C. manning.
Gohing with the pass. C with the setup. Pablo with the kill.
What a comeback for Pocari, but we got to mention Anton. Shola Alvarez with solid serves. How many did she serve?
26 to 24.
I don't know, but
Congratulations, the
Pocari Sweat. Ibang klase talaga.
Yeah. They've proven that they're really a very strong team because coming back And that